everyone. Hope everybody's doing okay. Alright, today I'm gonna pick some pork adobo. I use the boneless pork steak, this one. Boneless pork steak. So I'm gonna slice this into pieces and I'm gonna make adobo. Okay. Alright everyone, I'm done cutting. Cut into pieces, and this is all meat. I just separate, and this one is they have fat in there, so I just separate that. So you will see what I'm gonna do. All right. Alright guys, this is the one I'm gonna fix for my adobo. Okay, this is a garlic, smashed garlic, bay leaf, and black pepper and corn. Make sure it's buo. You know the one like this. But pull a little bit, it's already grinder, mixed together. And then I have potatoes. And the meat with fatty in there, I separate. And the meat that they're all meat. And I have vinegar, white vinegar, soy sauce, 7-Up, brown sugar, and salt. So that's the one, my ingredients, guys. Hope you like my ingredients. Okay. Fry the potatoes. Okay. I use this so that it's all fried. Okay, I need to be brown a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna turn off this. Strain. Now this is the pork with fat in there. And just fry that. Of course, we need to wash this first. You know better than that, you know. And I put a little bit of just like salt, sprinkle, and black pepper. Yeah, I need to take out the fatty in there. We don't want the fatty. It's not good for our health. Okay, cover it and keep watching. Okay, we'll see. Alright, almost brown. See that? The oil come out. That the one is not good, but you know, young people, they love the fat of the pork. Okay. Okay, that's it. Yeah, look at that, the oil. See that, the oil? Woo, we don't want that in our body. There's no way. The pork with meat only. Now I put this a little salt and black pepper, like marinate a little bit. Then mix this. This one. Now I'm gonna put the seasoning in there. All right. 1.5 cup of soy sauce, 1/3 cup of vinegar, cup of 7-Up. What is the taste? We need more little water. Cup of water in there. Sugar, I put 2 tablespoons to mix sweeter in there. Now you need to try to taste it if they are good. Wanna very sweet, put some sugar, because brown sugar is different taste. I put 1.5. Put some sugar, bit different better. Okay, make sure the sugar in there is melting before you put in the pot. This is it. Nice now, nice now. Now this is different than chicken. I'm just mixing. Now here we go. The garlic, black pepper, and bay leaf. This is it. Right. Time to turn on the stove and cover. Ready to go. Right, we're gonna check. Okay. Let's stir in here. May I see the test. I want the test. This is fine for me. Okay. It's not tender yet, so you keep putting the cover in there. Chicken. Right. We'll see if it's tender not yet, or because sometimes there's some meat, it takes time to tender. So we'll see. Not yet. And then the sauce is almost reducing. You need to add more, a little bit of water, hot water, with a little bit of salt. Just in case, because we don't want to be still hard. Okay, what is the taste? Still the same. Still good. Still good. Okay. It takes time when you make adobo, guys. Like in the Philippines, we have fiesta. Oh my god, I wake up early in the morning fixing some adobo. And that's why we need to we need to make the potatoes, because to make a lot. Smell good. Smell adobo. Wow. We'll see, we'll see. Yes. Now I'm gonna put the sweet potato to make a lot. There we go. Easy to cook the adobo, but it takes time to cook. Okay. I'm gonna try the test. Yummy. But one thing, guys, put lot of black pepper. Not too much. It's good for the black pepper too. Well, I learned this from my grandparents. Just the way they're doing. Alright. Enough. You know what's so blacky in there? Because of the brown sugar. And I have some optional in here. It's nice to have a red sweet pepper. Yeah. Because they're gonna bring this to the friend of my daughter. It's her birthday. only small. I'm gonna try transfer. 2 pounds, only small. It's shrink. You sure? Shrink, 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 shrink. Okay, this is it. And guys, I'm gonna try. And how about the potato? Good. Oh. Ah. Oh. Ready to cover.